we have people as we have people streaming in. I'm going to run a poll to let me know if it's your first time here attending our webinar. Okay, give us your views. It's your first time here. I want everyone. I do see one or two new names. Just want to know, make sure that if you're new here. Okay. Yeah, so as we have new people here, let me tell you more about what we do. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for a specific currency for each day. Monday, Aussie, New Zealand. Tuesday, the euro. Wednesday is the pound. Thursday, yen and gold. Friday, the Canadian dollar. Okay, so today it's Tuesday. So Jin will be talking about the euro pairs as he will be taking us through different time frame. This webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and the short-term traders. During these sessions, Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlighting potential targets and risk. However, disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. My name is Daniel. I've known Jin for many years, first as a student and now as a business partner. Jin runs LCMS Traders, where this is all about training is conducted to get traders to be consistent and profitable. And he also runs Forex Briefcase, which is our managed account services, where Jin trades an AUM of more than 10 million US dollar on a daily basis. Jin has always been speaking on many stages globally, and in fact, one of the reasons why you might be here is because you attended one of the events. And recently, he's also been invited to Money FM, a Singapore radio financial radio talk show, to give his views on what is happening on the forex market. Now, I would like to run a second poll. Let me know, how did you get here? How did you get to this webinar? And while you fill up this poll, I would like to take this opportunity to share more, to review more about LCMS Traders Club. So let me share LCMS Traders Club. Okay, while you are doing the poll, this LCMS Traders Club is a private group on Facebook where we teach, guide, signal, coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. This is the place to be, regardless of whether you are new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. If you have just joined us from the Telegram channel, you have been enjoying our trade signals absolutely free. A question you might have is that we have told you when to get in the trade, but we have not tell you where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind it. Right? Let me move down. Like for example, here we shoot here the strategy behind it. If I put it more, you can see that all the analysis is what is the reasons why we enter a trade, and we actually guide you where to exit as well. Look at this. When we exit the pound, reach a TP1, the momentum was still strong. We suggested you to hold to TP2, and it's still running. So so that doing all these things, so in the long run, you not only earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. You may want to learn new strategies or require some coaching. We also have members only live Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesday evenings to run through trade ideas. So if you can see here, we usually have a weekly live call with Jin where we run up to where we this call here we'll run economic roundups, give signal analysis and coaching. Jin will also discuss a lot of what going to happen in a weekly, what could identify H1 trades or many trades for the week. He also will discuss like things like how to become a full-time trader, what does it take to be a full-time trader, so you can learn a lot more things. And not only that, we also have on Wednesdays evening coaching sessions. We actually talk about different strategies, different setups, where in this case here, we'll talk about the trend series here. And previously, we talk about divergence and also candlestick patterns and chart patterns. We have many, many more. Now, lastly, we have a wide range of analysis. Not only that, of course, we have the NFP competition here for this coming Friday. We will interact, we will react with the competition, this NFP figure, where we see who will get closer. And then you can see here, right now, we have a wide range of analysis where we have for club members. We will not only have that, we have breaking this analysis here where we give you what we think of the coaches here, think what the analysis here, what kind of probably setups. We also invited guests for last night for the crypto, discussing about crypto. We also give you more trade ideas, what we are looking at, what could possibly happen in the coming news, and also not only that, we have breaking news, we have daily watch lists coming in. For example, this currency watch list on a snapshot in the morning, we will give you what we are looking at a point of morning, what what actions to do is to sell, what's the entry level, and what's the potential profits. And guys, here it is all here to provide you the best information, shortcutting your way to trading success. Now, to join this group, it is a paid group of US $199 a year. You just got to go to the Traders Club, lcms.com.sg. I'm sure the link is in the chat right now. And you scroll down all the way down, you will see the link here of a US $199 a year, which is less than $1 a day, which actually exactly 54 cents a day. But if you are facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any risk in your trading, you need to join the club to get some guidance towards profit and or get some coaching to improve your confidence and strategy immediately. Lastly, I would like to say trading can be lonely, but with a close-knit community ready to share, trading can be enjoyable and definitely profitable. If you haven't already joined this, make sure you click on the link now and join us. I'll see you here. Okay, so now with this, let me pass it on to Jin to talk about the Euro pairs without further ado.
All right. Good morning. Weirdly, we got not many people in here for a Euro analysis. I think Euro is actually looking like something that's going to be interesting for the US elections coming up. Not a lot of news for the Eurozone, but with the elections, and also I just noticed on Friday morning we have FOMC meeting minutes as well. It's going to be actually quite interesting to see what would happen, not just on the Euro, but across the board. So quickly starting off, my screens are in a mess because monitor went off. Okay. So forextradingasia.com, same thing, economic news. I want to finish this as soon as possible, this call as soon as possible, because in 17 minutes, in 17 minutes, we have the Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate decision. Spoke about it to death yesterday. 0.25 previously, expected to be 0.1, so a cut in interest rates, possibly a hawkish cut. If you don't know what a hawkish cut means, watch the video from yesterday. Pay attention to the rate statements coming out at 11:30 a.m. as well. With that, then after that, I hope you enjoy a Melbourne Cup race day. If you are betting on that race, looks like it's going to be interesting. But back to the Euro, nothing too interesting here. We got some group meetings, ECB members speaking, not going to move markets too much. Again, scattering of some Eurozone news, PMI numbers coming out, but this is on Wednesday. Pay attention. We do have the presidential election tonight at 9 o'clock with some expected news to come out, not at 9 o'clock, but it's probably going to come and filter through on Wednesday morning all the way throughout. Okay, so expect the volatility to come through late tonight and also early tomorrow morning. So with that, PMI numbers are probably not going to do too much in terms of whether it could move the Eurozone or the Euro prices, especially because PMI numbers, looking at it now, services was 46, expected 46, was 49, expected 49. These are last month's numbers. These are October's numbers. We are looking at further lockdowns in November in the Eurozone. Okay, so as much as this might even come out to be good numbers or they come out to be bad numbers, I think we will see the real impact of it as we see the PMI numbers for next month after all the lockdown, after all the impact from second, third, fourth, fifth wave in the Eurozone. So don't be too fluffed about that at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Um, Again, we have some ADP non-farm numbers coming out. We have non-manufacturing PMI numbers for the US. The main thing I want to pay attention, or one of the main things I want to pay attention to is on Friday morning, 3 a.m. FOMC statement. They're probably most likely going to hold the interest rates, no change to interest rates, but pay attention to the FOMC statement. Are they looking for negative rates? What is the plan for the stimulus? What is the overall outlook in addition to the FOMC statement with the presidential election outcomes? Okay, press conference at 3:30. This is going to be a high volatility scenario. Friday morning, and then we have Friday night non-farm payroll numbers coming out. 661K, expected 600. Unemployment rate probably going from 7.9 to 7.6. Not much changes. I see this presidential election, FOMC rate statement, and possibly no rate change, non-farm payroll numbers coming out as all the uncertainty towards the US dollar. Uncertainty towards the US dollar. With that, what it means by looking at it on the chart, with uncertainty towards the US dollar, do you think it's going to be stronger or weaker? Is the US dollar going to get stronger or weaker? With uncertainty, most often we're going to see that weaker US dollar, all right, and a move towards reserve, probably gold, probably yen, a little bit towards US because of that reserve status, but it's still the uncertainty towards the US dollar. So looking at the Euro US on the H4 time frame here, the last time it bounced off 1.1627, we've seen it do a very good climb almost towards 1.19. At this level now, it is bouncing. It looks like it's bouncing off this 1.1627 level again. A bit too early to jump into any trades at this point. I'll zoom in once so it's easier for you to see. I would say wait for it to go up higher. Let it see. All right, let it move. If it goes above maybe 1.1650, no, 1.1660. All right, get past that 1.1660. You got a 40 pip stop loss. You have a 40 pip take profit. That's the first move. That's the first trade. If it's going to go up, then if it breaks above 1.17, then you can see again, you have that 20, 30 pip stop loss or that 70 pip take profit. And then if it breaks 1.18, you again have a 30 pip stop loss or a possible 80 pip take profit. This is how I look at my trades. I don't look at one big move. It would be nice if it does break above 1.1660 and then we have that whole 230 pip move upwards with a 50 pip stop loss. But there's so many resistance levels that you would be looking towards that you have to be careful of whether it breaks, whether it rejects, and the economic reasons behind why it's doing that. So I would break that trade into 3 parts. Let it bounce off here. Look for that 40 stop, 40 take, first trade. Second trade, 40 stop, 80 take, great. Next trade, 30 stop, 80 take, fantastic. Break up your trades. Okay, so my first look would be whether the Euro US could go upwards and test that 1.17 resistance level. I hope that makes sense to you so far. Looking at the Euro Pound as well, you can see that it's been trading in this 9122 level, between 9122 and 9024 level. in that range for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Seems to have broken it lower a little bit now at 909 flat, okay, 0.9 flat. At this point now, I'll zoom in one again. It needs to break this 9024 level. I was a bit excited for the euro pound yesterday when I saw that move upwards. Looked like it was breaking strongly and then it got rejected back down. Okay, at this point now, I feel that we could actually see it go up, not that much, go up, test 9024, and then after that, reject it back down lower. Okay, we could actually see it. Actually, no. I don't think I was going to say that we could see reject back lower to 8895. That would be nice, but I don't think it would do that. I think that it might actually trade within this range for the time being. It's a 30 pip range. Nothing too exciting on the euro pound. Why? Is because, looking at it, we see possible upward move in the euro US, but with further lockdowns in the UK as well, we've seen that weakening in the pound. That could contradict stuff a bit. So, and you see pound rejecting levels a bit now. But I'll talk about pound more tomorrow. So with that, that's why I think that the euro pound might actually sit in that tight range, struggle to break the 900 level, struggle to go any higher. For now, I would say the most interesting one would be whether the euro can break above and test at 1.17 level. Just a quick share again. If you are listening to me on the first few times, I think most of you are already familiar with what I do. 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg. We are launching the course on Udemy for $199. I think it will come up live this week. So check out the course. But if you're like me and you hate paying, then don't pay $199. Get it absolutely free. I'm doing the 4-day course again. We had a lot of fun the last time we did it. Helped 400 over people, teaching them for free how to trade over 4 days. I'm had so much fun. I'm doing it again. 1st of December, 3rd of December, 8th of December, and the 10th of December. 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT +8, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, anywhere in the world. Check your time, GMT +8. I will give you all the indicators that I use, all the tools that I use. I'll give you all the course materials in PDF. You get a demo account, you get a live account. I'll get you set up to trade properly and profitably. All you have to do is click sign up, fill in your details, come down to the coupon code, type 200 DAY, click apply, and it is absolutely $0. What if you have joined already? Join again, listen again. I will be doing it live, so you get your questions asked. It's not a recording. We will record it, but it's not. You're not watching the recording. You get it live. And if you've done it before, all I ask from you now is to tell your friends and family, people you like, people you hate, to join this program as well. It is absolutely free. Okay, so with that, we have the euro. Looking at it now, we have the Aussie news coming out in 6 minutes, so I have to go in a minute's time. We have the US presidential election tonight. We have FOMC on Friday. We have non-farm on Friday. You don't know what I'm talking about. You want to learn how to trade. Make sure you sign up for the 4-day course. It is not paid for at all. It's absolutely free. The link is going to be there. They will send you the link. There you go. All right. And if you have joined us before, I know you like what you see. Help us click share, click like, get everyone else on board in the group. Thank you, Joe, for that big thumbs up. I will pass it back to Daniel.
Okay, thank you very much. I've just launched a poll to let us know what you thought of this session. So it's great. So the 4-day course is back. So do join. It's really very beneficial to me and to everyone as well. So by the way, so for those who are new here, a recording of this video will be uploaded. Thank you for joining these sessions today. Tomorrow it's a Wednesday. So Wednesday we'll be talking about the pound pairs. Okay, same time tomorrow. Looking forward to see you again. Bye bye.